Bro. It be thundering like crazy. It's red. It's literally red. Oh, it's red.
It's red.
What is it? Blue. 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 What is this? Purple. Wait.
Mixture.
Oh my God. This is.
Did you see that?
I'm sorry.
Firework.
I'm being honest. This is kind of beautiful. I don't know how. It's kind of beautiful. Oh my God. What is this? Oh my God. Hold on. Hold up a sec. Oh, hold on. Look at this. Oh, blue again. What is this? Blue lightning. It's color. It's color. It is color. Purple. Oh my goodness. We're probably gonna get an emergency alert system any
Did you see
second.
that? Did you see that?
We're gonna. Oh
Oh
my.
my God.
We are literally gonna get an emergency broadcast soon. I swear.
I saw it again.
Bro.
Oh my God.
We're gonna get one. I know we are.
I am seeing lightning bolts. Like literally. You have to watch my video.
Kills over 100 illness-causing germs and viruses, even those that may cause runny noses.
Oh my goodness.
Dude,
Why
it's
is
so
it?
close.
Why is it lightning this much?
I don't know.
It's just going on and
Dude, I
off and
hope we
on and
have a
off.
tornado.
Dude, it was green over there.
What is going on?
There was
Why is
literally
there
green on the
color
left.
lightning?
I don't know.
Why is
It's
it
color.
lightning? I am
Dude.
seeing blue. I am just.
What is with all this massive
Where is the
lightning? What the
coming
crap?
from?
Bro. I gotta cut this video.
Yeah,
Oh
I'm
my
shocked.
goodness.
I'm
Oh my God.